Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds Creative Aurvana Ace Mimi. And let's get started with open the application. I will also recommend it to install this application. You can enable a lot of features here. And the first one, you can improve your listening experience by changing equalizer browser, and right here we have a lot for all of the situation, here for a lot of games. And also you can create your own preset right here in the application. Just save it and you will have something good. Next one, these earbuds have ANC. You can also enable it in the application or by a gesture. And right here in the application you can control this ANC level. You can lower it or increase it. Next one is transparency mode, so when you met someone you don't need to remove your earbuds, you just enable this mode by gesture or in the application and you just speak with someone, and also you can control this level in the application. Next one, we have sound personalization. You can perform test here and you will improve also your listening experience, and you can see the difference right here. Just put a song and it's amazing. Also, when you listen to music, you don't need to use your phone, you can use the controls, as I said previous, and in the application you can customize it. I'm just right here we have a default one, but you can change it. You can play next or previous track, you can call voice assistant, you can increase or lower the volume, so it's a good one. Next one. There is a feature only for Android user. I have it right now on my iOS, is LDAC, but iOS devices doesn't support LDAC, only Android, so if you have Android it would be a huge plus for you. And also right here we have low latency mode, also is known like a game mode, so if you play games you can use this mode. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!